Hello everyone. So in this video we'll see stocks for tomorrow 12th July, and first we'll start with FNO stocks. So first one is Torrent Pharma. This we can buy above 3035. Then we have Tata Steel. Tata Steel we can buy above this high. So we'll buy above 1250. Then we have Godrej CP. Godrej CP we will buy above 982. This red candle's high. Then we have Glenmark. Glenmark we can buy above 673. This is in a range 640 till 670. So we buy above 673. Then we have Tata Metally. Tata Metally we will buy above 1220. Then we have Jindal Poly. Jindal Poly will buy above yesterday's high, which is 965, and this trend line will give resistance. So it may move till here. Not necessarily, but it can move. Then we have Power India. This will buy above 1960. ICRA will buy above 3530, but volume generally remains less in this stock. So you can check volume on 5-minute chart during breakout if it is increasing or not. Then we have TVS Recheck. TVS Recheck will buy above 2275. Then we have Boltemp. Boltemp will buy above 1510. JK Cement will buy above this high. You can see the 4 inside candles. So this big candles high, this is will buy above 3115. Then we have Amrutanjan. Amrutanjan will buy above 731. FSL we can buy above 200. This is a small range. And fresh breakout will happen above 206. This big green candles high. So we can buy above 20 and this will be a resistance. Then we have Heritage Food. Heritage Food we can buy above 507. In cash stocks we have Gravita. Gravita will buy above 150. Then we have Pokarna. Pokarna after a fall it is halting here. So we can buy this above 348. Then we have On Mobile. On Mobile will buy above 151. And this you can buy for swing as well. And you have to keep stop loss if daily candle closes below this 135 level. But you have to initiate buy for swing also above 151. Then we have GTPL. GTPL will buy above 192, and you can see this full chart. This can give a very good breakout. So this also you can buy for swing as well. Then we have RK Forge. RK Forge last time I have given here 675. Now after a good move again it is halting. So we'll buy of 731. The high of all 5 candles. Then we have Hercules. Hercules will buy of 166. Next is BRL log. This will buy of 320. Then we have Safari. Safari you can set alerts, keep in radar. This we have to buy above 720. Then we have AWHCL, Anthony Best. This will buy above 350. This is kind of a W pattern, so we can take risk above 350 and the safe will be above 361. This zone you can see. If it closes above this zone, then you can safely buy. And next is Bardhaman Acrylics. This is little risky stocks, but you can buy above 60, keep stop loss around 58 and buy less quantity, because you can see the candle shapes. It's very liquid and very low cap stocks. So this is a purely risky stock. Now we'll see few stocks which are trading around support area. First is Astra Micro. This has given breakout here around 160 level. This has given breakout and now it has done a pullback. So this is also at support, but this is taking support at higher end, and this should be your stop loss below 160. So you can see if you can use this. Then we have AB Capital. This also you can keep stop loss around 110. So it may bounce from here. So you can see how you can use this, because I mostly buy stocks on breakout. Then we have Blue Starco, it has given breakout and then on neckline it is taking support. So I think if you want to initiate a buy above 870 you can buy, and you have to keep stop loss around 840. Then Jubilee Industry, this also a up move, a pullback. You can see it has taken support at the same level and again it is bouncing. So this you can still take position. It has already given a breakout here, so you can take position. Then VGuard again, I don't know what it is doing. It is again and again coming at support area. So you can keep stop loss for 250 if you want to buy this. Take Solution, this is this is the support area at 60. It bounced from here. So if you want to take position, again you have to keep stop loss around 60. Fin, this also can make a nice W pattern. So the safe buy will be above 175 level. But if you want to take risk, you have to keep stop loss somewhere below 150 level. Satluj Text, this I told it has bounced now. I told above 61. So if it breaks high, then you can make a position again. The high is 64.5. Safari already will buy above 720. Hind Copper we can buy if it breaks this area 156, 157. And Bharti Airtel, this is also at a support area of 515. I think the if breakout bull level buy we have to see, then this should be the level around 550. But if somebody want to take risk buy and want to buy on support, then he has to keep stop loss below 550. So these are stocks for tomorrow. Thank you everyone.